Yo, what up, YouTube? Back at it again with another ASMR video. And in this one, I'm gonna be trying not to cough because at least two of you kind of like the coughing. I don't know. I think it's funny, but I'm trying not to cough, and you guys are digging the coughing. So, okay, this one's gonna be dedicated to just coughing. Coughing. I got the nicotine thing here, nicotine thing, and this one makes me cough. So I'm gonna take a few rips and see if I don't start coughing. Let's get it. Excuse me, guys. But this video, if you don't like the coughing, then don't watch this one, cause I'm gonna be coughing like a whole bunch. I'm gonna be coughing. You know, it just comes naturally with this nicotine. It's really scratchy on the throat and lungs. You know, it gets really heavy on the lungs. It gets really heavy on the lungs. This one's gonna be a 10-minute banger. So, without further ado, time for round number 2. Okay, okay, that one wasn't too bad. You know, I just think it's funny that you guys like coughing. It's cool though, you know, to each their own. I guess it is a little relaxing, low coughing sounds. Alright, about to get it. We're waiting for round number 3. This is ASMR is getting really out of hand now, guys. Coughing, come on now. What's going on with you? No, it's okay. You know, you guys like what you like. You know, you guys like what you like. And if not all of you guys like the coughing stuff, I won't post too many coughing videos, but I will make it. You know, I'll keep it in the back of my mind to post every now and then a coughing video or incorporate some sort of coughing, so I can satisfy both the non-coughers enthusiast and the cougher enthusiast. There's coughing enthusiasts and non-coughing enthusiasts out there. I bet. I just like to get best of both sides. You know, best of both worlds. Give them what they want. You know. So time for round 3 for the coughing, the COVID, the COVID, 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 COVID. Ooh, maybe some tapping sounds with the coughing. Tapping sounds with the coughing. Tapping sounds with the coughing. I feel like doing this is gonna make my voice a lot deeper. Just coughing with my throat. It's gonna like expand it or something. I don't know. That's cool. I'm gonna go through puberty twice. I'm gonna go through puberty twice, people. But enough jibber jabber. Let's get into round number 4, I believe. Or is it 5 now? I don't remember. I have no idea what round we're on. People. Sometimes I tend to lose track of what was been going on, you know. Other times I'm real sharp. Today's not one of those days. Mainly because I skipped my morning workout and my morning cold plunge. I like to be in the bathtub with cold water. trust me, the quality of this channel is going to improve so much. I'm just saving up some money so I can buy a few things to improve the channel and brainstorming ideas so that I can make cool content for y'all. Alright, so without further ado, coffin round number like 5 or 4. Let's go. It's taking its toll on me, guys. I'm just kidding. You know, this ain't my first rodeo. You know, especially back in the day when I used to, you know, everybody has their stories. You know, I used to do something that made me cough all the time. No diddy. I'm talking about, you know, the cannabis. I used to enjoy smoking a lot of cannabis back in the day. Now, I have to, every once in a while, you know, dabble with some cannabis. Or is it all the time? Am I all the time dabbling with cannabis? Huh? Am I all the time dabbling with cannabis? The cannabis plant. The cannabis plant. See, I feel like if you respect the cannabis and you treat it properly like the good woman that she is, you can't go wrong. You know, sure, she'll have a few lessons for you that you won't really enjoy sometimes, but for the most part, it's smooth sailings. It's smooth sailings when you got a little bit of Mary J by your side. Mary J, sometimes. Hey, it's funny. I used to work at this one place called Palmer's Candy. Yeah, I bet y'all heard of that one. The actual warehouse. And I used to have these glasses that were really square and wooden. And every time I walked by this Hispanic lady, she'd say, "Peter Parker, hey, how you doing, Peter Parker?" She says I look like Peter Parker. The old school Peter Parker, not the new one. The old Peter Parker from the original Spider-Man. I'm like, wow, lady, come on, chill out now. What are you trying to say? That I'm just like a superhero or something? Or you saying I'm a superhero? Lady, you saying I'm a superhero? Alright, one more of the coffee, guys. This is gonna be a little one because I don't like coughing too much. It's not comfortable coughing, so maybe I will minimize these videos. So when you got them, you got them. You know, be thankful for them. I'm not sure how hype this is gonna be, but you know, oh snap! I feel the cough's coming in. You know what? That was a little one. Oh snapples. That's it for the coughs. I didn't really have to cough that time. I don't know. Maybe I'm just getting better. Maybe the more I try to not cough, the stronger I am against coughing. It's like you try to just not cough. Eventually nothing comes out, but you feel like you gotta cough. Damn, that's scary. That's next level mastery. If you could just change your whole chemistry by willing it to be. In a sense you can, you know, but not it's not. And in a way it is magic and it isn't magic. It's magical that you can enter these realms with all these cool stuff that you can find out there, guys. I encourage you guys to look around and find stuff that's beneficial for your trajectory and your journey that you're on. And let's get to it, guys. See you in the next one. ASMR coffee. I don't know. I hope you guys like that. The ASMR coffee.